The key to this question is the fact that it's looking for the disadvantages of each of these techniques. And if we start off with sensitivity analysis, one of the key things about this is this second point, that the probability of a change in the variables is not considered. So it doesn't tell you the likelihood that something will actually change. This is just simply looking at how sensitive are we to changes. So how much can something change before we make a loss, or how much can something change before we decide not to invest in a particular project? But it does not tell us the likelihood that this event is actually going to change and by how much. If we then look at the next one with expected values, one of the big problems that you get with expected values is this third point. The decision is not based on actual achievable outcomes, or rather it's not always going to give you an achievable outcome. And the reason for this is expected value is a long-term weighted average. If you were to do this event over and over and over again, the average result you would get would be the expected value. But for any one-off event, it has to be an actual outcome, where an average could give you a decimal place with regards to number of units. With a decision tree, this first point is the disadvantage. The continuous range of outcomes possible cannot be shown. You cannot draw a decision tree that covers every possible eventuality, especially if you are looking at something that isn't discrete. You can get continuous information with regards to how tall something is going to be, or how much is it going to rain on a particular day. You cannot show that with a diagram that's got a particular outcome for each event.